we're doing something that I've never done before. We're gonna be surprising Christina, not with a car, but with a car lift. We got a car lift, a 4-post bend-packed car lift installed in Christina's garage. Now, in the past, we both agreed on the idea that we needed a lift in the garage for storage purposes, but I went ahead and took the initiative and had one installed myself. So even though it says Grand Prix here, that is the submodel. The manufacturer is bend-packed. As most of you guys know, bend-pack is like the pinnacle, the Ferrari of car lifts. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up the E46 GTR onto the lift, which is gonna be really sus because this is like the widest car ever with the wide body kit that we installed. And then after that, I'm gonna put the Mustang, nope, right there, yep, the Mustang underneath it, and we're gonna get Christina's reaction when she gets home. That's one down right there, and well, I guess that's the tougher one, obviously. So we're gonna lift this thing up in the air, and we're gonna throw the Mustang underneath it. Now, I am running this extension cord for now, but I did route another extension cord, and I'm gonna try to utilize that outlet. Well, we got the cars stacked. Like, I don't know why I'm surprised, but I am surprised. It is 5 o'clock right now, so Christina should literally be getting home any second. So I'm gonna get the cameras ready. But, I mean, this is literally crazy. And look how close, like, I mean, it doesn't get any closer than that. But I did that on purpose. We still have at least half of a foot, if not more, up there on the roof. So could have more clearance if we wanted, but usually I'm probably gonna put the SL under here, which is like a whole foot lower to the ground than the Mustang is. Anyways, let's get Christina's reaction and see what she has to say. Okay, there she is.
What's up?
Nothing, been working on the cars.
Oh, what is this?
Surprise!
When was this? When did this happen?
Like just now.
What the?
While you were gone.
Actually?
Yes.
That quick?
Yeah, they came at 11 this morning and you just got home, so.
That actually looks so good.
I know, it's actually insane.
What happens if I press this? What?
Crushes the car into the ceiling.
Grand Prix by bend-pack?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my god.
Well, you thought we weren't gonna get a bend-pack, did you?
That looks so good.
We wouldn't get any other brand.
That looks so clean.
It actually is, and it's gray because I know like you were really particular about the color in your garage. I was like, if we get black, she's not gonna like it. So.
I was like, wait, why is he recording? I'm like, is there a new car in the garage? I really thought there was gonna be a new car in the garage. I'm like,
Nope, not this time.
Dude,
same cars, but just on top of each other.
That
so.
looks so clean, and we got bend-pack.
But funny enough, this is not what this video is about.
Oh. Are we doing the challenge?
We're doing the challenge today.
Okay,
so,
pull in your car.
I know.
Let's get on to it.
Should we let's do the challenge series on the lift. I'll be on top, you'll be on top. I'm just so tall that it only makes sense. Anyways, let's get started on the CLK challenge series.
Wow.
She's still.
That's crazy.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another vlog. She almost just ruined her entire car.
It'll be fine, it's just a roll around.
Well, and thanks for watching. We're gonna go ahead and unbox our wrap colors. We're diving right into the action, wasting no time at all, and let's get into it.
Literally gonna make or break the car.
Cue the Jeopardy music.
Okay, ready? Ready?
Yeah, I think we've been ready for like maybe.
You know how long this takes.
It's raining now.
No! Okay, ready?
Yeah, yes, stab me, please.
Ready?
Please, ask me again if I'm ready.
Look, ready?
You guys are gonna hate it. You guys are gonna hate it.
Dude, it's such a sophisticated color for the bags.
Sophisticated? Chose salmon pink.
This is not salmon pink.
What is this?
This is beautiful.
Okay. All right. Let me show you guys a real color.
I don't know what to expect after the Civic. Is it out? Is it out? Can I see? What is that? That looks like a Christmas ornament.
We got a matte green, beautiful finish. Look at that. That's gonna be gorgeous.
That literally looks like those Christmas ornaments.
You think that's sophisticated? This is sophistication, ladies and gentlemen. We definitely went on opposite ends of the spectrum.
Why do we always do this? Okay, wait, imagine if there was a time where we both chose the same color.
That would be good. That would actually be good.
That would be insane. Look at your Mustang green.
Yeah, and it's beautiful, and this is literally a matte stealth finish of what is on my Mustang right now. Sorry, but looks like you took another L. There you have it. The colors for our cars are unveiled. We just grabbed some quick dessert, but now we're gonna jump right into, I guess, wrapping the cars. We're gonna go ahead, hit the hay, and we're gonna get right back at it first thing in the morning.
We're gonna...
It's a few days later, and well, we're basically currently wrapping the cars.
Yeah, we wanted to save you guys from the boringness of our repetitive laying down the wrap, blah, 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 each panel. It's pretty repetitive process. It's very tedious. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that black stripe actually across the whole side of the car yet. Other than that, we are about to lay down my hood, so we get to see, I can't even talk today. We get to see what the car is starting to look like because it's gonna be pink. So
okay, I had a stroke trying to listen to that. But well, my wrap, I've only wrapped 2 panels. I've never worked with matte before, like a stealth satin material. I'm actually very surprised at how easy it is to work with.
It's so smooth, like when you're feeling it.
It's so satisfying. So yeah, this is Christina's car, and she has pretty much the whole half of her car done. She's about to do her hood.
I am gonna be revealing my wheels in this video as well, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of regret going with this. I feel like I should have gone with a different finish. But it's still gonna look good. You can't go wrong with this color I'm gonna show you guys. But yeah, so this is what this car looks like so far. This is what Grant's looks like so far.
Yeah, so this is the material. It's like, it's super pretty. It's way more vibrant in person than it is through the camera. But yeah, it's gonna be a close call at the end of the series because I think both colors are actually really good choices.
I'm also like really excited to see who these 2 cars end up going to, because it is gonna be going to one of our followers, but like ultimately we don't know yet because it's gonna be a random drawing once the entry date ends. Yes. So you guys can still enter if you're watching this video. It's not too late.
Shop ChristinaRoki.com.
GrantSloan.shop.
Yes.
It also casts your vote in, and right now I'm in the lead.
So Team Grant, what are you doing?
Y'all are slacking.
We're trying to take the lead here.
Do you guys also want to know who's on Team Christina?
No, I don't think anybody here cares, to be honest.
I think you should ask.
Ask who?
Ask me who else is on Team Christina.
Anyways, you guys, so.
Ask me!
Who's on Team Christina? 7-Eleven?
Yes, sir! Team Christina.
That's fine, we got gear wrench.
Team Grant, just click out of this video.
Bro, then that means everybody would leave the video. Well, don't do that. Don't even listen to her.
Thumbs the video down if you're Team Grant.
Anyways, you guys, I'm about to start working on the front bumper and wrapping that. So I went ahead and removed the front grille, which was actually really easy. It's just a clip here, and a clip there, and it pops right out. And then you are about to do your hood.
I can only do so much today. I'm trying to get like at least half of the car done, wrapped, so we can move on to the wheels and other stuff because I'm actually going to Canada tomorrow. Yay! Canada. Also guys, no, I did not forget the budget breakdown for the car wrap. I have the price memorized at this point. $650 per wrap. So, minus $650. What up, though?
I don't think either of us are gonna go over budget this time, just because I'm very distracted right now. Just because she went over budget last time, and neither of us are gonna make that mistake. I got an A+ in accounting. So.
I am not making that mistake. Trust me. See, guys, we help each other at times. Woo.
We are back. It's the last day.
And last day for what?
Well, like for this part. We'll
Oh
be
yeah,
back.
for this video. So I'm gonna be revealing my wheels finally, so you guys can get the actual full look of what the pink is going for with the black and dechroming. That's my whole plan. And so we're gonna get the reaction real quick. We're gonna get Grant's reaction to my wheels. I'm gonna mount them on. Hopefully they fit. There's no problems. And then I'm gonna get some tires for it, and we're actually gonna put them on.
I'm going an easier route. I'm just gonna like do my grill and then just call it a night. So
Okay.
it should be a pretty quick and easy install. So let's get to it.
Y'all keep saying we yap too much, so we're just gonna speed up the process and show you guys.
Let's see what we're working with here.
Actually, I've bought the similar style wheels before, but in a different finish. I'll give you a hint, it's for the
About to
IS.
cut me open right now.
It's for the IS 350.
Yapping.
Yapping, I'm sorry. I know you guys don't like to hear us talk, so it's okay.
Dude, I can't get over how good the lift looks in the background, not gonna lie.
Okay, I'll bring it down. You already guessed what they are by the brand?
It's an off-brand. So
Hey, I really like this brand. It's very budget friendly, and that's the whole point.
already a bad first impression.
No, come on.
They have to be a dark color because like.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna be going for a dechroming look.
I was gonna say if she goes with chrome with that pink, it's not gonna
I'm
look
not
too
doing
good.
classy on this Benz. Ta-da! What do you think?
Alright.
I think I really like them. They're the same as the IS 350 for the Lexus.
You know, it's kind of copying the SL that I went with, the matte black look, but it's okay. We're gonna let it slide.
They're like HRE reps.
Let me see. Dang, she's already denting them. It's just
Oh my god! Did I put a dent on it?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, that's okay. But yeah, so this is what they
Dang.
look like. What do you
Let's see.
think?
I like
Are you
them.
impressed? Or are you gonna steal my wheels? Is that what you're gonna do?
You just stole my SL style wheels.
Yeah?
Literally the same thing, but just different spokes.
I put the exact same style on the IS, so I don't want to hear it.
I like them.
Worth it.
And you stunted it though.
And I actually hope they work. So I hope they fit and the bolt pattern's correct.
All right.
Fingers crossed.
And to answer your question, I'm highly considering stealing her wheels. I'm not gonna lie.
Wait, which ones?
The ones that you had on your SS. I don't know yet. You guys let me know what you guys think I should do with this car. We're obviously going for more of a chrome finish, as you guys are about to see with the grille that we're gonna install, but we're going with like the chrome look and she's kind of going the opposite route. She's going with the blacked out look. So I'm thinking like all chrome wheels. I don't know if I should go like 5-spoke or like 12-spoke.
Yapping. Quit the yapping.
Maybe I should go with like a monoblock. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what I
Not
should
my
do.
monoblocks. You guys better not comment my monoblocks.
Maybe I'll just take hers for free again.
No.
All right, we're gonna do a budget breakdown.
I think I'm gonna win on this one by a landslide.
You're gonna win? You just bought 4 wheels.
Well, we're already in the lead, guys. We're literally like 69 to 31%. That's like insane.
Yeah, so everybody go over to the website and vote and enter the giveaway by purchasing anything.
ChristinaRoki.com.
No, GrantSloan.shop.
Alright, let me see how much I got my wheels for. For the wheels, I think I have Grant beat on this one just because I've gotten these wheels before.
What?
Very beautiful, budget friendly, okay?
Wheels that are cheaper than a. Okay.
I'm not saying cheaper than a grill.
Let's do it.
Ready?
Yeah.
So I got my wheels for 1,000. What?
1,000.
That's really good for wheels. Usually wheels cost like 1,000 a piece. I got all 4 for.
Okay.
Let me finish.
Okay.
$1,033
Captain.
and 6 cents. Okay, that's wheels.
And that's per wheel.
No.
Therefore, by process of elimination, Team Grant wins.
That's not true. This was all of them. This all 4 wheels for $1,000.
Okay, that's not bad.
That's really good.
The grill, I spent 2,000.
What?
I'm kidding. We spent $169.
Not bad. That's a lot for a grill, though.
I mean,
This grill better. Is it the light up one? The Mercedes light up one?
I wish. That'd be dope. So the sun is setting right now, you guys, and we're running.
No. Under Grant's famous words. So the night's fallen amongst us.
So the night is falling
yaps like
amongst
that?
us, and we're running out of daylight. So we're gonna get right into work. Thankfully, the grill is really easy to install. I have no clue how she's gonna put on the wheels, but We're also on 4%. Everything's going great right now.
Guys, it's okay. 4% is all we need to get this done. That's how much people voted for Grant. Is 4%.
Get the fuck. We didn't even get to unbox my parts yet, so let's see what we're working with.
Wait, no, be for real though. Do you actually like my wheels or no?
I mean, yeah.
Because I could have gone the monoblock route, but like I just.
Nah, I think they're gonna look good.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I hope so. Now I'm scared.
I don't know. We'll see. I mean, the tire makes the difference.
Yeah,
know?
true.
All right, let's unbox it.
I actually have no idea what it looks like.
Actually, no.
Buy my merch. Look at this dope merch. What?
Well, hopefully it didn't break.
You actually broke it.
I think it did break.
Dog.
Nope. All good. Ta-da! We ballin', baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm gonna just stay on my side.
Bro, look at that.
I'm gonna just stay on my side.
That's sick. All right, you guys. So here is my dilemma. I already know this grill on the car right now looks, it's already probably my favorite grill. The 3 spokes on it, I guess, the 3 lines. That's basically what is on the like CLK 63, the Black Series, is that style. However, the style I'm going with is more of like an SL style, kind of like my Mercedes SL. But let me know which grill you guys like more, because I already know I'm gonna be on the fence about which one looks better. So super easy install. Let's get right into it. One clip here, and one clip there. Just like that, comes out. Out with the old, in with the new, and then we're gonna pop it back in. There's the after. Nice and simple, but it is really humid out. You guys can tell it is definitely a lot more chrome than the original one, but I'm kind of going for that chrome look already, and I'm thinking we'll do some chrome down there as well.
As you guys can see, I have the car pretty much done on this side. I still have to do a little bit more on the other side as far as wrapping and both bumpers, but I think I'm pretty far off, way more further than Grant is. Just saying. Anyways, let's jack up the car. Dude, it is so hot in here. Moment of truth, guys. We got 2 minutes. 2 minutes on the clock. Pit crew, pit crew, pit crew. The bolt pattern's right?
Oh yeah, wait, Mercedes has the studs. They don't have the lug nuts. I forgot about that.
Dude.
What?
I think this bolt pattern's wrong.
No way. Say swear.
I swear.
The bolt pattern or the center bore?
I think both. Y'all. They look so good too.
One, even if we were to get it all the way
Oh, the
across.
calipers.
The calipers, and you're already rubbing on your strut in the back, so they're too wide of wheels.
No, it sits weird when it's like, oh. Let me put the other wheel on before. We're running into some technical difficulties. I'm gonna be right back with y'all after this short commercial break.
In this video?
Dude. You got him!
No, not all the way, unfortunately.
Why?
It's not sitting flush against the wheel hub, just about a centimeter. So yeah, the center bore was incorrect here, and you guys can see we have probably a finger gap right there behind, so that kind of sucks.
Is the bolt pattern right though?
It looks correct. She's sad. Sad girl hours. Well guys, I mean, I think that's kind of like a bust that Christina's wheels didn't fit. Definitely sucks. But I think that's a good amount for this video. I have a lot planned for this car, including window tints, new wheels. We're finishing the wrap, of course. Just a lot of cosmetics. So if you guys want to keep up with both of our builds, make sure to hit that like and follow button. I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video today, and I guess we'll catch you guys in part 3. Peace out.